Hello, my name is Caitlin and welcome to Country Kitchen SweetArt's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make this adorable Valentine's decorated chocolate bark. Let's get started.
Start by making the chocolate decorations using small candy molds and candy writers. To melt the chocolate candy writers, remove the plastic hang tab at the top. Then place in the microwave and heat for 20 seconds. Knead the bag to evenly distribute the heated chocolate and microwave for another 20 seconds. Repeat the previous steps once more if needed to ensure all of the chocolate has been melted. Cut a small piece off the tip of the bag, then fill the heart section of the candy mold. I filled half of the cavities with red and the other half with pink chocolate. Allow those to set up while you fill the smaller heart in the second mold. Since the small heart is such a little section, it should be set after filling the last cavity. Fill the remaining part of the cavity with the opposite color and repeat for all the hearts in this mold. Next, fill the bare section of each cavity with a milk chocolate candy writer. Gently tap the mold on your work surface to settle the chocolate. Set these molds to the side to set up completely for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also place these in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes to help the chocolate set up faster. To make the chocolate bark, you will need 2 flavors of chocolate candy coating, Valentine sprinkles, your molded chocolate pieces, an angled spatula, and a dough cutter. Melt 1 pound of dark chocolate candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. Be sure to stir the chocolate after each interval to evenly distribute the heated chocolate, which will ensure it does not overheat and burn. Once the chocolate is melted, pour it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and spread into an even layer with an angled spatula. If you are melting 1 pound of candy coating, it will spread into a nice thin layer on a half-sheet pan. Set this to the side to set up at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes or in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. While the first layer is setting up, remove the small chocolate pieces from the mold. Next, melt 1 pound of white chocolate candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals, making sure to stir the chocolate between each interval. If you have leftover chocolate from a previous project, this is a great application to use it for. Use a scale to measure 1 pound of the chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted, reheat your candy writers so they are ready to go for decorating. Then, make sure to have your sprinkles and chocolate pieces nearby and ready to go. Spread the white chocolate on the first layer so that they line up as best as possible. While the white chocolate is still melted, add your decorations. Start by drizzling with your desired colors of chocolate, then add your chocolate pieces, making sure to spread them out as evenly as possible. Sprinkle with a mix of Valentine colors of nonpareils, then add some pink heart sprinkles. Add more nonpareils to fill in the blank spaces. Allow this bark to set up at room temperature for 15 minutes. When the chocolate is almost completely set up, use a dough cutter to score the bark. Set aside for another 10 to 15 minutes to set up completely. Use the dough cutter again to cut all the way through the bark into bite-sized pieces. You can leave the bark as is, or you can add an edible glitter such as jewel dust using a dry dust pump. Store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks for optimal freshness.
Thank you for watching until the end of our video. And be sure to stick around so you know where to find all of the products used in this video and how to stay connected with us. To find the products used in this video, scroll down to the description and click on the link. That link will take you to our website, and below the photo you will find all of the products we used in this video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, sales, and to see all of our new sprinkle mixes. To see more videos like this one, check out our chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Be sure to leave us a comment down below letting us know if you enjoyed this video and what kinds of videos you would like to see next. Be sure to check out our next video on how to make Super Bowl Rice Krispie treats. See you next time!